Hello, my name is Alia, and I am here today with my brother Israel to share and celebrate my papa's long life. If you don't know already, I am my papa's one and only granddaughter, along with his one and only grandson, Israel. Smart, generous, humble, bubbly, quiet, leader is what I describe my papa as. Hello was the first thing you could hear after leaving school. A core memory me and my brother both share is the wholesome after-school chats we had with our papa. Papa was a massive help to both of our trips from and to school. We remember him picking us up either with his white car or his massive work ute. Greeted with helpful eyes after a long day of school, he always had his famous Radio Samoa playing in the background. And him equipped with a bag of potato chips in one hand, and in the other a cold drink. As you near closer to him, he kisses you on the cheek. And as you enter the car, Radio Samoa. How was your day today, he asks. It was good. Learn anything new, he asks. What's the day today? Is it Monday? It's Tuesday today. Wait, I didn't know that. He's just getting old. The words of my mom and dad was the only thing I had in my brain. But of course, I wouldn't tell him that. This man, I yapped to my mom. He's always just yelling at me. He must be bored or something. No playing, no kicking the ball inside, no making mess, no playing gymnastics. No, stop, no. And to my brother, his words, what? Excuse me, this is favoritism. But in his heart and in my heart, this is our way of saying, I love you. Growing is knowing things you used to hate is actually something you love. Soon, I'll miss him rallying me. Another memory of my papa is him building me a playhouse. Dad, that's not a playhouse, that's just old wood, I said. Papa, can you make me a new proper playhouse, please? It was a smart option to do with my 8-year-old brain. Papa, the old version of Bob the Builder, should know how to make a simple house. I mean, how hard could it be? Papa, you tell Dad what to do. Hey, Dad. Okay, my dad replies. As years go by, and I'm a little older, and COVID in hand, it seems like an endless amount of delays and setbacks. I have no patience. When is Papa coming to finish my house? I'm 13 years old, and Papa is weak and frail. It's okay, Papa. I'll finish the playhouse. You rest. Before I finish my speech, I'd like to tell you a story about my Papa and how he met my Nana. Well, it all started almost 60 years ago, in 1964, when a handsome young man met a beautiful young lady on the bus. Nana would catch the bus to Lafanga after school on a Friday. My papa made sure he was on that same bus. The story goes, Papa noticed my Nana in her St. Mary's uniform on the bus, reading comic books. He never forgot her and thought of her very often. 6 months later, my papa left Samoa for New Zealand. Papa had a plan, and that plan was to charm my Nana. Papa sent his first letter to the school at St. Mary's College. When her teacher had called my Nana into the office, my Nana was scared. Slowly, she walked to the office, wondering what had she done wrong. Shockingly, her teacher handed her a letter from a random sender. In the letter, Papa wrote, "Are you by chance interested in comic books?" My Nana replied, "Yes." I mean, who would say no to free comic books? My Nana replied, onward, he continued to send her comics every week. When my Nana arrived here in New Zealand, my papa had found out through my Nana's sister that Nana was coming to live in New Zealand. My papa knew he had the chance to propose. In 1974, newlyweds decided to start a family, making their one and only child my dad. Saeni Jacob Lemalu. How would we have known after the cute letter comic book relationship it would turn into a wife, a son-in-law, a son, a daughter-in-law, a grandson, and a granddaughter? I will forever miss the unconditional love-hate bond we had. I'll miss the sound of him growling me, I said, Alia, what are you doing? If it was because I was kicking the ball inside, gymnastics on the stairs, or even if I was making mess. I'll forever miss the after-school chats we had together, if the question was, how was your day? Or even if the question was, what was the day today? We will forever cherish your memories, Papa. So from your grandchildren, we say, thank you. Thank you for letting us be in your life and being the best Papa anyone could ever dream of. Love you, Papa, from the bottom of our hearts. Manuia lo malanga until we meet again. Now, I would like to invite my Lemalu cousins to the stage to sing a song with me.
Ia matuia lau malaka le mau.